What's up, everybody? Davion here, and I hope you all are having a good day. This video is going to be something different, not dealing with the Matrix at all. This is going to be dealing with Moon Knight. So, over the course of weeks, I've been seeing this one dude on Instagram who has like this really cool Underglow kit.
Yes. Yeah, look at this. You know, when I see a car like this, first thing I do is I say, would you look at this? You know what I mean?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, would you look at this?
Yeah.
Came in earlier than expected, and this is my first time ever installing Underglow. I've never had an Underglow on any of my cars, so this is going to be quite the adventure. You all get to witness me kind of feel at this too. Now, I will make sure that they all work and that the setup is correct. Therefore, if anybody else who decides to buy this kit on Amazon for $80 with shipping, you guys can come back to this video and look at the reference for it. So, first things first, I had to move the Matrix out of the garage. So once I do that, we can start the install. So now we got Moon Knight in here. So now we can start the install. So first thing I want to do is let's just go through the kit, shall we? So in the kit, everything comes in this bag. Everything you will need will be in this bag. Then you get your manual. See, it comes with 2 different types of light strips, 20 zip ties, 40 pins, 20 flexing clips or whatever, your Bluetooth controller, cigarette power adapter. Now, I am probably sure that there is a thing that you could do to this so it links up to your computer, but I think that's probably something you'd have to buy separate. I know the whole cigarette lighter thing is kind of wonky. So here's basically your installation guide. Oh, there is a YouTube guide on it. That's crazy. There is a way you can connect this to your battery, therefore you don't have to put it in your cigarette lighter. But I don't know anything really about wiring. Well, it just says connected to your negative battery terminal. First things first, we're gonna check to see if these work. Okay, so I guess it is if you do want to use cigarette lighter because you don't know much about. I think it'd just be easier just for me to link it to the battery at this point. They give you an option, so whatever option you choose, that's just the way you gotta do it. No positive to positive.
Honey, I think I know what's wrong.
Oh, them boys is bright. Oh man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna cut the camera off and we're gonna figure out how to wire this stuff up. So I got the driver's side hooked up, not pinned up yet, but I got it hooked up through the wheel wells. So I accidentally messed up and broke one of my clips over here, which is the one thing that you don't want to do. You don't want to break your clips because you got to put them back. I'll show you. That is where the clips are supposed to go, but like I said, I broke it, so it's not gonna stay. So to avoid the cord from dragging, I zip tied it to the frame right here. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but I zip tied it right there. I might have to go buy some clips afterwards because this is, I don't know how I'm supposed to break this clip off without breaking it. But now I just gotta do this side, and after I do this side, I just gotta wire it to the battery, and then we should be done. So I think what I'm gonna do now is just clean underneath it and get ready to stick it, and then stick the hooks over top of it. That way they don't fall off. So I'll come back to you guys when I have that done. Okay, so with my car, I might have a slight little problem trying to get the things to stick. There is no thing or border, whatever, for the underneath my side skirt to make sure that the LED lights stick to. So I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. What's up, everybody? So here's day 2 on the install. I'm gonna continue the install. Hopefully today we can get it done. I'm not good when it comes to wiring. If I don't finish this today, I might have somebody wire up for me, but I'm gonna do a short little wire first. I'm wire up different. I'm gonna put the wire through the.
Have you ever had a dream that you could do so
through the firewall. I found a new way to kind of mount the lights, but we're gonna have to see how it's gonna go first and how much room I got to move everything over, and we'll see what happens there. Hopefully I want to try to get this project done within the next few hours. Okay, you all, so I got it all hooked up. Well, at least the driver's side is now completely hooked up. This Gorilla Glue, sticky tack or whatever, man, it really works. Like, that thing is sticking, so hopefully it'll hold. I'm gonna put the GoPro on and I'll show you all what I did. Okay, so I'm gonna show you all. I'm not sure if you all can see that, but I got it taped up. I ain't got this side zip tied yet, but all the way down, it seems like it's gonna stick. I got that side zip tied, but other than that, I got it zip tied. See, I couldn't do it right here. This is what I was talking about last night. I don't have a plastic piece for my undercarriage, so it seems pretty legit. Now we still gotta do the whole other side. I figured I might as well just show the rest of the install, considering I feel like I ain't really show enough on how to do it. I just told y'all like what had to be done. Don't use power tools, just use hand tools. I feel like that's probably like the most helpful tip I can give right now. I have a buddy of mine coming over to help take a look at the matrix, and he's also gonna help me try to wire the Bluetooth thing to my battery and my fog light, because I can't find the fog light fuse. So I have a problem trying to read the whole diagram of the battery, so he's gonna help me with that too. And then once he helps me with that, pull this car out. We'll go test to see if it works. And then we're gonna pull the car out and pull the matrix in here, and he's gonna take a look, see what parts I actually have to replace. So that's gonna be in another video if he wants to be on camera or whatever. You know how that goes. I just need to get this done, so I'm gonna stop procrastinating and just start doing it.
I call your style windbreaker. Heaven, I'm blessed to be a heat maker. Ray-Bans take the light that I see 100 degrees, and every day I keep it 100. No Ripley's, believe it or not. I'm cleaning the pot, and y'all just watching with no money. Been kicking it. Steven Seagal as real as they come, and y'all still faking for nobody. Stop capping. I'm tired of you fools. I'm tying the noose for everybody.
I'm trying to get as much of it done so then when he gets here, what I'm thinking is I could bring it up between the radiator fans. This is gonna have to be cut either way because this is going to negative, has to go to the negative terminal, and this has to go to the fog light. I'm still gonna have to find a way to bracket this up too so then it don't fall. I got plenty of brackets over there.
Everybody out there blowing smoke. Stop acting, you ain't in the script, was never legit. And everybody know you blowing smoke. Stop capping, I'm tired of you fools. I'm tying the noose for everybody out there blowing smoke. Stop acting, you ain't in the script, never legit. We know you blowing smoke, bro. Hardcore.
Alright, you all, so I finally got it done. I got it rigged up. I don't have it hooked up to the thing, to the battery and the fog lights yet. But I did get it wired from that cigarette lighter. I had it woven through, I'm going to show you. I had it woven through to my car. Here it is. I'm going to cut it off. Bam. Look at that. Look at it. And I respect it. Yeah. Yeah, that thing is. Yeah. I don't know. My camera is having a hard time trying to adjust to the. Look at that. Look at it. I'm so proud. I'll be even happier once I can get it wired to my battery and my fog light fuse. But yeah, I think I'm pretty much done with this install. So, if you all enjoyed the video and all want to see more content of me doing stuff to Moon Knight, please subscribe, like the video, leave a comment. What should I do next to this car? I'm probably going to be doing more stuff to the Matrix, but right now I'm just kind of taking a break from it right now. I want to try to do stuff with Moon Knight because, you know, he's a good daily and all, but, you know, what's the point in having a good daily if you can't have fun in it? So, if you all enjoyed the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I see you all in the next one.